guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have one of my favorite photo shoots I've done in a while. I shot these pictures back in March on my trip to Bali at one of the black sand beaches in Canggu. I brought just one lens with me for this trip, RF 28 to 70mm f2, and I definitely didn't regret that decision. That lens is just so good. It's my new go-to, although the 85 1.2 is still unbeatable for me personally. So this is early in the morning and we had really stormy, gloomy weather, which actually was perfect. I think it suited the vibe so well. And then we decided on some white clothing because I thought that it contrasted really nicely with my model's skin tone, black sand, and her dark hair. And then also it went really nicely with the white foam of the ocean. As usual, all links will be in the description, and let's get started with the behind the scenes.
Because it's like a story, you know, you can think that you're like you're a runaway bride and you're just now on the beach. Yeah. Ooh, that's really pretty. What if yeah, look back at me like this, yes. You know, just let your hair float. Yes, I love it. Yes, gorgeous. And turn around a little bit towards me, just a little bit. Oh, actually the back is nice too. Don't be afraid to move here. Like you can definitely just like move with the wind. Yes. Yes, yes. Oh, the only thing, maybe we can get the dress wet. Yes, just like a little bit more. Yes, yeah. Oh, 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 we get it wet now. Just a little bit higher. Yeah, just maybe right here. Oh, that looks cool, like in the wet dress, like you're walking. Yeah. Yeah, that actually looks really cool. Yes. Oh, it looks so good. I love it. Looks amazing. Okay, let's do actually that sitting one. You can just stay higher up here so that you don't get like mauled by the... Yeah. Yeah. Yes, that's beautiful. Maybe we can switch the side. Legs that way. Yes. Yeah, that's really nice. Yes. And yeah. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Love it. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love that. Love, 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 love. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. that. Yes. Yes, stay like that, stay like that. Yes. Amazing. You're such a good model. Yes, love it. I loved when you were like on the side, but sitting, more sitting, yes. And just down. Yes, and maybe like, I wish I could show you, I just don't want to sit in the sand. Oh, maybe I'll show you in the picture. When you were kind of like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you were like sitting like on the side, kind of. Yes, but and with this leg, with this knee, and like, yeah, that's kind of, I actually kind of like all the like black sand. And then, yeah, just bend this knee, this one. Yes, 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 yes. Exactly, exactly. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, get the legs like more towards my way. Yes, yes, like maybe not so much. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes. Yeah, yeah, I love that. I love that. Yes. That's very cool. That's very beautiful. Yeah, keep doing that. Keep doing that. Yeah. Yes. Oh, gorgeous. Love it. Can we do like one sitting kind of like this, and then you can just like play around like with the sand? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. Just keep doing that, yes. Yes, yes, that's absolutely beautiful. Love it. Yes, oh, I love that. That was really cool when you did like, when you went like kind of like this, like that looked really cool. Can you do it again? Yes, yes. Whoa, that's really cool. Like the way it like blows your hair, it looks amazing. Trust me. Yes. Oh, I love that, love that. Keep that, keep that. Don't move, just a few more pictures like that. Yes, and eyes at me. Yes, oh, that's so good. Oh, that was amazing. That looked so, so good. Amazing. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Yes, that's really nice.
show you how I use new Photoshop beta generative fill to take care of this spot that didn't look very flattering. I selected it and then I just typed in dress and it filled it in. I also fixed some hair that didn't look great and it was just super fast. Definitely loving this new feature, especially for tricky little things like fixing the dress or hair. That used to be really time consuming and annoying before, and now it's so easy.
Ooh, that, you know what, that's really cool. Like if you kind of like hold it and like look to the back, yeah. Actually, let's do a standing one here. Yeah, because it's like I can see the whole thing. It's really nice. What if you walk away from me? Yes, and just keep going. Oh, one sec. I'm gonna like fix this because it's kind of here. One sec. Yeah, go ahead. Yes. Exactly. Yes. 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 Yes, 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 yes. Okay, just one second. I do need to take it out of the shot. Yes, yeah, just do that, yes. Whew. And more so, you can try to just like not go more this way, but more just like kind of up to here. Okay, don't go further than that. Okay, go ahead. Yes, just twirl.
So I only have phone footage for this last shot of Nai posing on the rock, and this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more really cool videos from Bali. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!